Up without a father. When his Humvee exploded in Afghanistan, he suffered severe burns over more than 80% of his body. With only a 15% chance of survival, Del Toro focused on the promise he made. Later, he became the first fully disabled airman permitted to re-enlist and a gold medal in Invictus Games. Now, he shares his story to help others. Thanks to the Tunnel to Towers Foundation and your generosity, Del Toro received a mortgage-free smart home. The home has a range of he can live his life more independently. Help heroes like Del Toro when they need it most. Donate $11 a month to Tunnel to Towers at T2T.org. That's T2T.org.
From the front lines of truth, Clay Travis and Power Talk 1460 and FM 101.1.
Hello, beautiful. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most gorgeous hair color made with ingredients you can. Are you tired of drugstore hair color? Upgrade to salon quality hair color that nourishes and improves the condition of your hair without any harsh odors. It's easily done at home, and we deliver it to your door. Plus, our hair color matching technology makes picking the right color easy, fast, and accurate. For a limited time, new clients get 15% off plus free shipping on your first online order. Visit madison-reed.com/offer. Take our online color quiz to find your perfect shade. That's madison-reed.com/offer. Try it. Love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Tim, we need to talk. I just can't get over that rate increase from Verizon and AT&T last year.
We'll switch to T-Mobile and get their price lock guarantee. They won't raise our rates for talk, text, and data ever.
Oh, we're switching today.
Switch to T-Mobile lines for $25 a line with our price lock guarantee. We won't raise the price of your rate plan for talk, text, and data. Yeah.
4 lines for $25 per line with autopay, plus taxes and fees. $5 more per month without autopay. Price lock for qualifying services excludes taxes, fees, select promos, and third-party services. See T-Mobile.com for details.
Your baby's skin is delicate. That's why it needs extra loving care and a diaper to swaddlers to help protect your baby's delicate skin with outstanding absorbency. Pampers Swaddlers skin dry, healthy, and happy. For trusted protection, choose Pampers, the pediatrician recommended brand. Click the banner below to download the Pampers Club app and start earning rewards today. Life is uncertain. It's okay to feel stressed, anxious, worried, or frustrated. It's normal. With CalHope's free and secure mental health resources, it's easy to get the help you and your loved ones need the most. Call our warm line at 833-317-4673 or live chat at calhope.org today.
It can be dangerously easy to steal your identity during tax season because so much sensitive info is all together.
Before we start the annual meeting of Sean's personal info, has anyone seen Social Security number?
Not me.
Nope. Oh no. He's been stolen.
LifeLock by Norton makes it easy to help protect yourself. If you become a victim, we work to fix it. No one can monitor all transactions, but you can save up to 25% off your first year with promo code LifeLock.com. Identity theft protection starts here.
He's barring public high schools from teaching African American studies. He's taking aim at drag performances, even suggesting that he would urge the services to investigate parents who take their own kids to one. He's actively trying to ban COVID vaccine mandates and restricting mask rules, while at the same time calling for probes into supposed wrongdoing linked to the vaccine. And he's doing all of this while making sure that anyone can walk around, no permit required. It's a right-wing fantasy land, like Disney World, but in hell. Come to Florida, the meanest place on earth.
Right-wing Fantasyland, Florida. I gotta say, sounds pretty awesome to me in terms of walking around with constitutional carry, which is supposed to get done here. No COVID. The fact that they still think COVID mandates for vaccines or masks or anything other than something to be ashamed of pushing is truly mind-blowing, Clay. Also, yeah, keep pushing the parents who, or people who have a problem with adult men gyrating their butts in thongs in front of small children. Keep pushing it somehow. That's not weird. Yeah, good luck with that, Democrats, with the whole, drag. DeSantis doesn't think that adult men should, be shaking their behinds and whatever in front of small children. Yes, because Ron DeSantis is a has not been brainwashed by the left. I gotta say, it's amazing branding when you have MSNBC calling your state a right-wing fantasy land, because in all the best ways, it is kind of right-wing fantasy land now.
Well, what ties in with that, Buck, and I'm looking at the latest data on voter registration edge in the state of Florida. And this is the legacy, as you've got Trump at Mar-a-Lago and you've got DeSantis in Tallahassee in the governor's mansion right now. In 2018, when Ron DeSantis statewide edge in voter registration of 257. But this is pretty crazy. In January of 2023, which completed, Republicans now have an edge of just shy, 5,000 people shy of 400,000 voters. So in the space of effectively 4 years, you have seen Florida go from a blue state in registration to not only just a red state in registration, 150,000 voters. Now we know DeSantis won by 19 in the state of Florida, but the legacy to me going forward is you're going to have to really screw up as Republicans to lose the state of Florida in the presidential election, or to lose one of the statewide political offices, whether it's one of the two senatorships or the governorship. That's a pretty stellar resume to have to be able to lead. Let's take a couple of more of your calls. We're going to be joined by Heather McDonald. You heard us yesterday talking about police and the dangers and the continuing fallout of what happened with Tyree Nichols. Heather McDonald's got some incredible data that I think you'll all want to hear. Ed in Louisiana, what do you got for us?
Hi.
Hey, what's up, man?
On the Trump DeSantis
yeah, what do you think?
Protocol. Well, I've been working on looking at the big base and his voters. He's working to get nationwide votes. So he did that to activate just like the sound bite you just played. He did that to activate votes from other people, as far as to say, look how I handle the virus. That's why he's playing both fields on it, because people.
You think Trump is making a play for Democrats and independents by attacking DeSantis on COVID?
Yes, sir. He's seeing the big picture. He's trying to win. He's playing ball. He might throw things out there. It doesn't necessarily mean he's not necessarily attacking DeSantis. He's just throwing things out there to get mass active in the conversation to say, oh, DeSantis is totally against all of this stuff.
But see, I appreciate your call. I think that helps DeSantis in the Republican primary.
Yes.
If DeSantis hates masks, then people like you and me, Buck, are like, yeah, God bless him.
He's not running a general election strategy right now. And by the way, honestly, if someone I don't want someone voting for my candidate if they still think we should have masks, because they're out of their minds.
Yeah, the data on that is so clear. Again, that's our point, is that the way Trump is attacking DeSantis actually is helping DeSantis more than it's helping Trump. Heather McDonald next.
Clay Travis and Buck Sexton. Power Talk 1460 and M 101.1.
Recording a lifetime of memories is a commitment. Think of the time and money your family invested to capture family special moments with video cameras back in the day.
The company Legacy Box preserves those recorded moments digitally. It's simple, safe, and the digitizing is done by hand right here in Tennessee.
That's right. They make sure that investment in your family's legacy is safe forever by digitally transferring those memories.
You get digital files, thumb drives, or both. The Legacy Box does a great job start to finish.
Legacy Box has been trusted by nearly 1.5 million families. We've both relied on Legacy Box to digitally transfer some of our family memories.
You owe it to your family to safeguard your memories. Become your family's hero and save them before it's too late.
Right now, Legacy Box is offering a great discount when you go to legacybox.com/buck. That's legacybox.com/BUCK. One more time, legacybox.com/buck. If one of your goals this year is to do business with companies who share your values, then switch to Pure Talk for your cell phone service.
Pure Talk is proudly veteran-owned. They proudly employ a U.S.-based customer service team.
Their service kicks butt. It's on one of the networks out there with blazing fast data, talk, and text for just $30 a month.
That's probably half of what you're paying Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile.
You can keep your phone and your phone number and switch over in as little as 10 minutes.
Pure Talk has a first-month risk-free guarantee. Try it, and if you're not completely happy with your Pure Talk service, you'll get your money back.
Support a company who supports you. Dial pound 250, say Clay and Buck, and you'll save an additional 50% off your first month. Again, dial pound 250 and say Clay and Buck and get 50% off your first month. Pure Talk is simply smarter wireless.
Hello, beautiful. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started to give you the most gorgeous hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. Are you tired of drugstore hair color? You deserve better. Please upgrade to salon quality hair color and improves the condition of your hair without any harsh odors. It's done easily at home and it's delivered to your door. Or book an appointment now at one of our 80+ hair color bars nationwide and get salon results without salon cost and time. For a limited time, new clients get 15% off plus free shipping on your first online order or your first service at a Madison Reed hair color bar. Visit madison-reed.com/save. That's madison-reed.com/save. Try it. Love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
I just can't get over that rate increase from Verizon and AT&T last year.
We'll switch to T-Mobile and get their price lock guarantee. They won't raise our for talk, text, and data ever.
Oh, we're switching today.
Switch to T-Mobile and get 4 lines for $25. The price of your rate plan for talk, text, and data. Yeah.
4 lines for $25 per line with autopay, plus taxes and fees. $5 more per month without autopay. Price lock for qualifying services excludes taxes, fees, select promos, and third-party services. See T-Mobile.com for details.
Classified documents found. Lisa Brady, Fox News. That's coming from a lawyer for President Biden after FBI Delaware beach home.
This is the president's vacation home in Delaware. He bought it in 2017. Up this morning in unmarked cars and are there without a search warrant, meaning this is a consensual search. Now today also at DOJ here in Washington, Robert Hur and his staff are at the Justice Department. He's the special counsel appointed just a few weeks ago. He was getting up to speed over the few weeks. His staff now fully on board.
Fox's David Spond. Classified material was found at the president's other home in Wilmington and a former office in D.C. The president says no classified documents have been found today at the Rehoboth Beach House. He is investigating former President Trump's handling of classified documents. The president and the House Speaker meet today on the debt limit, though President Biden has said he won't negotiate on the issue.
The President of the United States does not get to walk away from the table.
Senate Republican leader Mitch McConnell says good faith talks are needed after a new spending. House Republicans want spending cuts as part of a deal to raise the debt ceiling. A third round of sleet and freezing rain descending on parts of the South, including Texas.
Until tomorrow. On Thursday, power trucks are lined up in Abilene ready to roll if indeed this ice starts tugging on those lines, creating mass power outages.
Fox Weather's Robert Ray. They've had thousands of outages already and deadly crashes despite efforts to treat icy roads. Thousands more flights canceled today, with weather advisories extending to Tennessee and up to Indiana and Ohio. The icy conditions delaying the funeral. The murder charges for fired police officers. His funeral now set to begin an hour from now. Vice President Kamala Harris planning to be there. America is listening to Fox News.
Inflation is nothing more than a legal form of theft, because with every new round of money printing, the value of your 401k or of the money supply. Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Paul, and while you still can, gold for your retirement account. Why? Because gold provides real wealth preservation. Stand anything. Even better, with a gold IRA from Birch Gold Group, you pay no penalties or taxes when you transfer your current retirement funds. To learn more, text the word PROTECT to 989898. And my friends from Birch Gold Group will a free info kit on gold IRAs. Birch Gold is the only gold company I trust. So text PROTECT to 989898 to request your free info kit on gold IRAs right now.
Hello, beautiful. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most gorgeous hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. Are you tired of drugstore hair color? You deserve better. Please upgrade to salon quality hair color that nourishes and improves the condition of your hair without any harsh odors. It's done easily at home and it's delivered to your door. Or book an appointment now at one of our 80+ hair color bars. Get salon results without salon cost and time. For a limited time, new clients get 15% off plus free shipping on your first online order or your first service at a Madison Reed hair color bar. Visit madison-reed.com/save. That's madison-reed.com/save. Try it. Love it. Of Madison Reed.
This February, Xfinity Flex is unlocking premium entertainment for you to try every single week, no strings attached. Celebrate during Black History Month with shows like Unsung the Decades. Snuggle up during Valentine's Day with a Lifetime Movie Club pick like Harry and Meghan, A Royal Romance. Or crank up the action with Godfather of Harlem from MGM+. Get down and funky with the Classic Soul playlist from iHeartRadio. Easily discover new free content each week across the best streaming app. Say free this week into your Xfinity voice remote.
Nailed the final interview. Game with Doug. Brand new mother. Come here, kid. Give me a hug. The more you do, the more we want to do. New COVID-19 boosters designed for recent Omicron variants are now available. Learn about eligibility and schedule a free updated booster today at vaccines.gov. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Presentamos cuentas claras inspiradas por AT&T Fiber. Amor, ¿y ese pantallón nuevo?
Tu regalo de aniversario. ¡Tadán!
Pero yo veo mis novelas en mi tablet.
Ok, como somos guillonarios, seré claro contigo. Ni para mí, para ver fútbol.
Yo también seré clara. Ni me acordaba que era nuestro aniversario. Las cuentas claras son mejores. Sin cambios por equipo, sin límite de datos, sin aumento de precio a los 12 meses. Vive como guillonario. Disponibilidad limitada en ciertas áreas. Visita att.com donde hay más gigas.
Gifting him Tommy John underwear for Valentine's Day? I don't know. Isn't that weird?
Weird is you're a grown woman that's scared to gift underwear. Come on, it's a bold move. And everyone loves getting Tommy John because in Tommy John, you can do everything better. They even have Valentine's Day limited editions.
I don't know if we're ready for that.
Yes, you are. You're a Tommy John woman, right? And the Tommy and confident because she's free from adjustment. The lightness, the breathability. Easy to feel in Tommy John underwear.
I mean, I do look good in them too. Maybe I can bring them up to my level.
The contour pouch on their men's underwear puts the fine in definition.
Does Tommy John still have their risk-free best pair guarantee?
Absolutely. If he doesn't,
TommyJohn.com/iHeart and get 20% off your first purchase. 20% off at TommyJohn.com. See site for details.